Ever skipped an event or a discussion because it wasn't in your language? Communities are global, events and forums are everywhere, but most platforms assume everyone speaks the same language. What if the only language you needed was your own? That's the problem Mapinly solves. So, presenting to you Mapinly. So, Mapinly is a place to discover events and join discussions. Everything you see, event details, forum posts, comments, live chats, is in your own language. No language barrier, just connect. So, that's Mapinly. So, whole website you see can be translated to these languages. So, yeah. Now, let's move to the crux part. So you can see all the events. Let me just convert this to English. So you can see all the events that are currently happening in your and you can also see the past events. You can see the past events but cannot join them. And coming to the name Mapinly, you can see all the events that are happening on your map. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, if you select your own language, it will uh, get translated slowly but surely. A few of the things are not getting translated because I have seeded the database, and some may be missing translations since I am also storing the translations in the DB. So yeah, now coming to an event, you can see who is joining the event, who is participating in the event, a little bit about the event, and you also have the feature to calculate your own route to the destination of where the event is happening. So that's pretty cool. I'm using Mapcn for this. That's a pretty cool library. You can chat with people. um, I will showcase this shortly at a later time. And let's see the forums now. The forums also have a similar structure to the events. So yeah, this is how forums will look like. Now if I go to any particular forum, yeah, and I can like comment on these forums, join conversation, and I need to be logged in for these things. As you can see, I have a few dummy comments, and if I were to select any other language such as this one, everything will be changed to the selected language. The text will change to the selected language. And yeah, so this is how you can like convert uh, text into your own language. So the cool thing here is if like let me just pull my other screen. So if I were to comment this in this language, so it takes a little bit of time. So yeah, this is my other screen. So I posted that comment in French, and I've currently selected Spanish here. So and since I have selected Spanish, it is coming in Spanish. So it automatically detects what language you have like written the comment in, and it creates translations for all other available languages, and it showcase you the text in your own language. So that's pretty good. So another thing is you can go to the panel. Let me just convert. Yeah, you can go to the panel. Sorry, dashboard. You can see what events you have organized, what events you are going to go to, and you can delete, edit these events. So yeah, this is all about the dashboard. Now let me just show you how the chat will work. That is also a pretty great part. So yeah, this is the chat part. I have currently selected the Spanish language, and let me just copy this and resend this, and it is sending. Let me just move to the another screen. So you can see it takes a little bit of time, but it surely works. So what I did send was welcome to Mapinly, but in Spanish language, and it came as an English language. So it is translating. That's why it is taking a little bit of time. It can surely be optimized, but yeah, this is the thing. So you can text in your own language, and the person can view in his own language, whichever language he has selected. So the communication will keep going, and there will be no language barriers. You can just communicate in your own language, have fun, share information, connect. You can do everything in this chat. And now let's come to the event creation and form creation part. So in this drop down menu, you can see the create event part. You can create events like welcome to Mapinly part 2, just to make sure. You can add date, time, your location. So you can add tags. There is a limit to the tags, so never mind. Welcome to Mapinly. You can upload an image, or you can select a gradient of your choice. So I will choose this. It will create an event eventually. So yeah, so yeah, here you can see the event was created. And if I were to translate this into Spanish, so it will get translated. Yeah, it did get translated. So user will be able to see it in his own language. Here also it did get translated. So yeah, translations are a little bit slow. For example, here the translation was a little bit slow. So you can also search for events like uh, and you can search in your own language, so that's pretty great. In the dashboard also, you can see you have since I have a single event here, so that is why it is showing. So you can search your events that you have organized, search forums that you have organized, see your upcoming events, see what events are there on a particular date. So this is all about Mapinly. So use cases are, you can create events, create forums, connect with people, uh, host events, and meet people while traveling, while there are unlimited variations to these. So yeah, this is Mapinly, and to know more about how this was made, you can go to my GitHub. So yeah, thank you.